Okay, hello. Okay, guys, this is really a tough one. I do want to check it out again for my own understanding. Okay, so this is a hard one and pretty much hard one because we are not simplifying things. So here is a certain things, certain data set. So you have one, two, three, four. How many data set? I don't know, but n number of data, like one, two, three, and there is an n number of data given to you, and the mean of those values is positive, so there is nothing wrong with that. So that means they have to be positive. You can't see something negative with. If an additional value equal to 70% of the mean, so that's it. There are three values, one, two, three. So these are the three values, and you find the mean of these three values, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3, which will give you 2. So the 2 is your mean. So you have to find the 70% of those two. So the 70% of 2 will give you the new data that will be add up here. So let's say the 2% of 70. Okay, just calculate it. Oh, hundreds. They cross out 2 is 5. Okay, 7 by 5, which is you need data, new data. You have to find out. So this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7 by 5 is how much? 2, 2. It approximately give you 2.5. So this is your new data. So the new data sets has 5 values. So if you add them up like s and then divide them with n plus 1, because you have okay 3 plus 1. So this is your new data. So what it says, after adding the new data, the mean will be 2% less than the original one. So what is our original mean? That is 2. So the 2 of 2%, 2 minus 2% equal to the new data, which will give you like s divided by n plus 1, or equal to 3 plus 1. So this is the equation. We have to set it up. So let's just assume everything, because we haven't given anything to do that. Okay. So the first we can consider that there are m sum is the first mean is this old mean. I can say that old mean. Oh, let's jump into it. Let's say old mean equal to m divided by n. So you have to find the 70% of the data new, which is m by n times 70%, which will eventually give you 70m divided by 100n. So cross out, it will give you 7m divided by 10n. Okay, so this is your need set. Now you have find the new data. Now you have to find the new data mean, or I can say the new mean. Let's write the new mean. Okay, so what is the new mean? This is our old sum, so you have to add this with that. So like m plus 7m divided by 10n. Now your data in values are increased. Before you have n values, now you have 1 n plus 1 values, which we have talked about that at first. So this is our new mean. Now we have to just do it as a, make it simplify. 10m. This is ridiculous. Why I'm writing it here? Okay, so just the 10n will be go below. That's ridiculous. 10n divided by multiplied by n plus 1, which 10mn plus 7m. So this is our data. Now new mean is also the less than how much 2%. So m by n times 2% equal to give you 2m divided by 100n, which eventually give you 50n. Okay, so that is m by 50n. So now you have to reduce this from this so that you will get this. So let's write it in a below, so that this way. Okay. So you can see that the m by n value minus m by 50. Oh, you have forgot the n. N equal to 10mn plus 7m divided by 10n n plus 1. Okay. Okay, this is our new one. Now we have to calculate this. Okay. So the easy process is m cross out. So this is our first process, n cross out. Okay. So now we left with 1 minus 1 by 50 and 10. Oh, what is wrong? Can we just wait for a minute? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, please connect first. Oh, connection restored. Thank you. So this is our 10n and plus 7. So the n cross out. Now we have 10n plus 10. Okay. So now we have to do the simplifying here, which is give you 50 minus 1, which will give you 50 divided by, and you have to do the calculation 10n plus 7, 10n plus 10. Okay. So now you have to do another thing, that is 50 and 50 cross out. Why I have written it? Okay. That's like 10 into n plus. So this 50 and 10 cross out. So we left with 49 divided by 5 equal to 10n plus 7 divided by n plus 1. So now you have to do the cross multiply. Do this. Okay. 49 n plus 49 equal to 50 n plus 35. Now you have to switch back the both side. 35 minus equal to 49 n plus 49. Okay, so now 50 n minus 40 n equal to 49 minus 35. So 49 minus 35 will give you 14. So the answer is, so okay. Hmm, Charlie. Okay, so now you get our answer. N is equal to 49 minus is like 40. So this is our answer. So you have the question right. Oh, where's the question? Okay, this is our, okay, very harmless question. So can you see that 14? Yeah, quite. This is our answer. Happy man, happy. Now I have done it. Really? Okay. So I want to say something like whenever you, what is meant? Whenever you are dealing with problems, think simple. So what I have made a mistake in this particular math. I have tried it the other day, so I messed up everything. I got the right answer somehow, but that is not the correct way. But because I have made a mistake, so that's why I am trying to say that whenever you are dealing with a problems or like any kind of problem, just think simple so that you can get the answer. Just the way I have think today. I haven't think this way the other day. So that's the big mistake I have done. So if I think the whole math in this way, then I have already solved the problem because this is the base. So this process is not the base. This is the calculation. So to come up with the solution, this is not the basic. What is the basic is how I actually make the words into mathematical function. Like I don't have to read all the complicated things. I just have to focus on the 2% less. Oh, okay, which is less, which is less. So that's how you can actually understand that. So understanding the math is one thing, and solving it in a simple way is another thing. So that's how we can actually get better results. I'm not a mathematician. I just want to solve problems because I love solving problems. That's it. Oh, thank you.